Are you tired of unwanted Smartsheet workflows sending notifications or running actions? Learn how to deactivate any workflow in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find the automation settings and how to deactivate a workflow in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Start by navigating to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets are listed. Then open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Now, click on the Automation option at the top bar to access automation settings. Once that's open, click on Manage Automation Workflows to see your existing workflows. Find the workflow you want to deactivate. Click on the three dots next to it and select Deactivate from the menu. And that's it. The workflow is now deactivated. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.